Hey, it's Dina Colada. I'm back and I'm here to show you how to choose a subscription for your POS. I accidentally hit sign up for the pro trial, which I don't really care about that right now. I just want to get the free one. So I'm here on the setup quick start guide, and there's a yellow button here. It says Pro POS trial ends in 11 days. So I'm going to choose a subscription, and I'm going to choose Lite, because this is the one I had. So if you want to spend $0 a month, or do you want to spend $89 a month? So of course the premium product has a lot more benefits and things it can do than the basic one. But when I'm just getting started, or you're just getting started, you want to save money to make sure it's a viable business, then the Lite one is great. But you can see the differences here. Let's just look at what it does include. POS app, 24/7 support, order history, consolidated inventory, cash tracking, process returns, unlimited registers, split payments, and gift cards. Sounds like it's pretty solid for the basic one. So let's look up here and see what the differences are. For staff, you can have limited staff access to POS. For the Pro, you can control which staff members get access to what and have roles and permissions set in there. For the checkout, for the basic receipt customization. Checkout can offer local pickup and delivery. Don't want to do that. That's too much work. Advanced receipt customization. And that's not a big deal to me. Return or exchange online purchases in store. We don't really have a store online, but you can figure that out. Hopefully you don't have a lot of returns, but you probably will have some. For the basic, the reporting and inventory. Track in-person sales, total sales summary. The reporting and inventory is more in-depth. You'll get alerts if your stock is running low, but when you're doing print on demand, you don't have to really worry about it, because Printful is going to have everything in stock, and hopefully they don't run out. So I think that's what I'm going to go for. I'm going to go for the POS Basic Lite $0 option. That's my favorite price. And I'm going to click Save. It's asking me if I want to downgrade to POS Lite. You bet I do. So I'm going to put cost. I'm going to put I'm starting out and want to make some money first. You know, when the store gets bigger, I might want to get the Pro, but this gives me enough info for now. So here you can click the approved subscription to downgrade, so you don't have to pay them $89 a month. Awesome. So my billing cycle starts on the 18th. Looks good to me. Cool. So that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough on how to choose your POS system, free or paid. That's your two options, at least when this video was recorded. So anyway, thank you so much for coming, and I hope this has been a great help. Please click subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. I love you, and thank you.